This next song nearly didn't make it to the album Everybody's Screaming. Because I honestly just thought it was too embarrassing to still be writing songs about people not texting me back. I actually wrote one of those songs here in Miami. Delilah. Yeah, Delilah was written here. And it's one, I think there's a song almost on every album about someone not texting me back. And Delilah was written here, and they put me in the same room. So I woke up this morning in the room I wrote Delilah in, and I was like, yeah, it's fine. It's been a wild ride, but I was like, I can't still, at this age, be writing songs about people not texting me back. So I'm not putting this song out. I'm done with this theme. But then what happened is I did put it out, and it became everyone's fucking favorite song. So now, no matter how old I get, I'm going to have to sing it forever. But what helps me make sense of all of the things I never wanted to say in public, and I then did, which is a lot of stuff now, and all of the songs I never wanted to put out, what helps me make sense of it is when I see you singing it back at me, and it is the most magical thing, and it's an alchemy that only you can do, so thank you so much for giving that to me. So, if you do know the words to this one, you have been so good at singing tonight. You're like getting very choir mistress up here, and you're doing so well. But yes, if you do know the words to this one, please sing along very loudly.